So now I'm just going to look like a ghost for about 5 minutes. I'm actually going to put some Vaseline on my lips because they are dry. A little... Fuck. Hi there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Basically, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys would know that I have put up some polls on things that I should use on my face, and honestly, it looks great. It looks great. I'm so surprised with some products that I did use because some of them I haven't actually used before. So if you guys want to see how I did with your options on Instagram, whoever followed me and whoever actually had participated in the polls, please do keep on watching. So I've actually gone ahead and done my eyebrows and also primed my lids. I usually do my eyeshadow first. Like, I've never really done my foundation and then my eyeshadow, just because I'm afraid of fallout and like effing up my face when I've done all my face and then having to redo it again. So obviously I did a poll on Instagram and it's quite interesting actually. You guys want me to do a soft glam look. It was a tight competition with doing like a colourful look and then a soft glam, because soft glam is 58% and then colourful is 42%. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette again. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Comfort Zone and use that on the crease. I am gonna go ahead with Grateful and Homebody. Yeah, so I'm just mixing those two because I feel like it. So now I'm just gonna cut the crease. I'm just gonna use a concealer to cut it. Because there's leftover powder from when I primed my eyes earlier, I'm just going to use the same brush that I used and just tap it where I cut the crease. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to darken the outer corners and everything with a bronzer. You can use any bronzer that you guys have. I'm just going to use this one by Doll Beauty. Right, so moving on to the face, I'm going to check what you guys chose for primer. So 74% of you guys chose the Laura Mercier foundation primer, which is this one. Right, so I'm going to go ahead and try this on. So from what I'm seeing, it's very glowy, and I'm naturally oily. I've got really oily skin, so I'm just going to put a little at like the places I need to prime. So now we're primed, we're prepped and primed. For foundation, you guys chose 69% of you guys, 69% of you guys chose the Fenty Beauty foundation. So I kind of have mixed reviews about this foundation. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. It really depends. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shake the foundation, make sure that everything's mixed together inside. This foundation is a bit too light for me. Good luck. Yeah, it is really light, but it is what it is. You guys chose it, so... Moving on to concealer. So this was a really tight competition between Anti-Aging Wine by Maybelline and the Revolution conceal and define, and 58% of you guys chose the Maybelline one. I don't hate this concealer because this was literally my holy grail for years, like, but after the years go by, I feel like the formula has changed quite a lot compared to when I used to wear it ages ago. But let's see how I feel about it today, because it can change. One thing I am actually noticing quite a lot is that it's creasing under my eyes, and with the Revolution concealer it doesn't really crease this much. Like, it creases, like it sinks into my crease, but it's not normally this noticeable. So now we're going to move on with powder and how we're going to set the face. So 73% of you guys chose Laura Mercier, so I guess I'm going to have to use a lot of this today. Now I'm going to check what you guys chose for contour, and literally Hoola bronzer, 84% of you guys chose that, 84. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the Hoola bronzer to contour my face. So now I'm just using this angled brush in order to make this look more natural, because this looks a bit too much at the moment. I'm just checking if you guys said whether you wanted me to wear eyeliner, and 65% of you said eyeliner and 35% said no, so I'm guessing I'm gonna have to put eyeliner on. I think your view's gonna be a little bit disrupted. Yeah, I'm gonna shut up now and actually do this eyeliner. I really hope it turns out the way I want it to turn out. So one problem I do have with my eyes is that they are completely two different eye shapes. So when it comes to eyeliner, I have to do them completely different to the other side. So that's one thing I struggle with my eyes. So that's one wing done. Right guys, so that's the eyeliner done. That was stressful. Now we're going to brush this off. So for blush, 73% of you guys chose the none other than the iconic Benefit, which is basically holding on to its life, that has barely anything. So now moving on to setting spray. 87% of you guys chose the none other than All Nighter spray by Urban Decay. So now that the setting spray is a little bit dry on my face, not completely, just a little bit, I'm going to put some highlighter on. I gave you guys the option of the Becca highlighter or the Colourpop highlighter, and you guys chose the Becca highlighter. 70% of you guys. Guys, I got this from TK Maxx. Well, my mum did. Anyway, moving on to lashes. Quite upset about this choice, but we move. For eyelashes, you guys chose for me to do natural. So 35% of you guys chose natural and 45% of you guys chose full, so it was a tight competition there yet again. We've got the lashes on. I'm just going to clamp them together, make sure that they're blended. Right, so now that we've got the lashes on, we are just going to put mascara on our bottom lashes. So now we're done with the face and the eyes. Now we're going to move on to lips. 73% of you guys chose the Morphe lip liner. Yeah, now I'm just going to overline the lips. Moving on to lipstick, you guys chose the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, which is this one. So 71% of you guys chose that. I love this lip combo anyway, so I'm just using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London. And yeah, so this is the makeup look done. Look, it looks so flawless and so like natural, defo soft glam. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up whether you liked it. If you didn't, that's fine. Please do comment down below if you guys have any suggestions, and also please make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you also click the notification bell in order for you to be notified when I've got a new video on. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!